Firstly, I thought I'm going to show you guys how to remove the arches, because I do think there's a lot of people that don't know how to properly remove arches. There's like a few things that you should be doing and that you shouldn't be doing, so I'll document those things like right now. First, we're going to remove the wheels just to have ease of access and put the car on the jack stands, just so that it's much easier to work on it. So I'm not going to bore you with that. We'll check back when we have the wheels off of the car. When you remove your arches on your FN2 Type R, you have to remember you've got 2 screws down here, you've got 1 screw there, you've got a hanger on your arch right there, which is where a lot of guys mess up. There's a screw in that hanger which prevents your arch from flying off. So if you do not have hangers, your arch will always fly off. So don't break off your hangers when you remove your actual arch. So there's one hanger, and then there's another hanger, and then there is a screw down here at the bottom which connects into your bottom half of your bumper, which is most likely in a lot of cases broken. That's why I had this made to order from Honda themselves. And then just show you all of the clips and stuff that's in here while I remove it. That's all of the screws off, so now you can come and look in here. Luckily, I don't have to use a plastic prier to open this because it's not that stuck. But yeah, you'll just have to slightly pull off. And then don't forget about these 2 little screws down here, like I just did. So let me just get those screws as well. These screws go into your fender liner as well. So it's important to have these screws in. If you don't have them in, go check and try and put them in. Don't run without them, because they do save your arch in the event that it flies off. So yeah, now we just see that all of the clips are removed. Then this clip down here, also very important. Okay, so now your arch should just pop off, just like that. Be careful of these because they break off with this. And then there we go, arch is off. This is what an arch should look like, and these are all of the clips and pins that should be in your arch and hangers.